So Lewis, joined Airbus, how do you feel about time?
Yeah, absolutely buzzing. I think it's going to be a massive challenge for me. Trying to get that first shirt, hopefully this weekend, or whenever I can really. But the game time is what I need. Obviously going into 20 years old now, so I think this year was my biggest year to try and progress and get the game time I need.
You've joined from Chorley, who had Andy Owens, who's played for us there. What was it like playing with him?
Yeah, it was good. Really good. Big tall striker, hard to deal with, and obviously Andy Preece as well. So yeah, it's two great players. One very good coach who coached me very well, and obviously Andy Owens, another top player who's progressed to go on and do very well for himself.
What's your main strengths that you can bring to the side?
Main strengths, I'd say for myself, is being quite loud. So I'm quite a loud, vocal goalkeeper. I'd say that my kicking is very strong. So obviously I look to play different ways, and also just be that big presence that we need, I think.
And also, what's the ambition for the season? Is it?
Ambition for the season for me is play as many minutes as I possibly can, and help the team as much as I can as well. Because when I spoke to the gaffer, he said one simple message to me: he wants to go up, and I'm ready to do that as well. I think this club needs to be in the Welsh Prem, and it obviously deserves to be, because you look at the history of Airbus, and you look at the stadium we've got here and the academy. It's all ready just to go up, and it's just waiting for this big move now to go up. So I think for me, just trying to get that promotion.